You've just had an accident. We understand you might be feeling a little stressed. That's completely normal. Even a minor car accident can give a driver quite a scare. Whether your vehicle has sustained major damage or just a scratch, your next question might be, should I claim? Whether you lodge a GIO claim or not is entirely up to you. But let us walk you through a few scenarios where you might decide to make a claim or not. When you lodge a claim with GIO, we consider the total claim cost, which can include repairs, assessment fees, towing and hire car. With most GIO recommended repairers, repairs are automatically approved, so work can start straight away and prevent any delays. After your repairs are completed, we review the claim, and if your excess is higher than the total claim cost, we will reimburse the difference. At-fault claims may affect your GIO claims-free savings. You may also consider this when deciding whether or not to claim. If your vehicle is unsafe to drive, it's important you don't continue using it. If you're the first registered owner and have been continuously insured with GIO Platinum from within 13 months of your car's purchase until the time of the total loss, we will replace it with a new car of the same make, model and series if available, or similar if not. Otherwise, you'll be paid the amount covered on your certificate of insurance, less any deductions. In this case, claiming may make sense for you. Head to our website to compare levels of cover and what might be right for you. While no repair may be needed on your own vehicle, your excess will cover the repairs to another vehicle or property and include other incurred costs like towing, assessment fees, and hire car costs. Third-party property damage, comprehensive and platinum car insurance provide coverage here. We're here to help, so it may be worth claiming in this scenario. While stopped at a set of traffic lights, a car behind rear-ends your vehicle. Should you claim? If you are found to be not at fault, you'll retain your GIO no-claim bonus once the claim is settled. Your excess may also be waived. It's very important for you to provide the at-fault party's full name, full address, and vehicle's registration. You got into a car collision involving another party, and they requested you pay their car repairs and associated costs. Should you claim with GIO or correspond with their insurer? It's your choice, but there are benefits to lodging your own claim, as GIO will represent you and correspond with the other insurance company. Your excess will apply to your claim, but this can save you time and give you reassurance we'll act in your best interest. Legal costs can also be covered when you claim through GIO, whereas they may not be if you don't claim through GIO. Speak to GIO before you engage with any third-party claim against you. You'll have the option to pay your excess now or later when making a claim. If you choose to pay later, a GIO representative will contact you within 2 business days to discuss your options. If you're charged an excess and pay now, but are later found to be not at fault, you may be refunded. If repairs cost less than the excess charged, you will also be refunded the difference, less any other fees. When taking out insurance, you can choose to lower your premiums to increase your excess. This is called voluntary excess. It's important to think about what you can afford if you do ever need to pay an excess. There are many scenarios in which you might wonder whether you should claim or not. Think about the cost of repairs, your excess, legal costs, and whether this claim could affect your future premium. If someone else is at fault, gathering all their information will smooth out the process, and you may not need to pay an excess.